Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Shweta, welcome to eTimes TV. How have you been? You are back and you are fit and we are very happy about it. Tell us, how does it feel to start, training once again?
So, first of all, thanks for the concern. It's very difficult, Vijay. I can call you Vijay, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I broke my neck. Okay, somebody who is very activities. I used to rush from here and there. I'm always active, always doing activities. I do nunchucks, I do fitness training, I do martial arts. So many things I used to do. I used to just believe in working and working on yourself. And that kind of person meets with an accident. It's very painful thing.
2020, as you said, it was a time of evolution, social media and everything. But 2020 was also the time of the pandemic. As you said कि आप एक्सीडेंट से आपके साथ वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उसके बाद आपने इतना सारा काम लूज किया, फाइनेंशियली आपने काफी सारा खर्चा हुआ होगा आपको मेडिकली, वापस से अपने पैर पे खड़े होने के लिए. और उस समय पैंडेमिक में जब सब कुछ बंद हो गया है, आपके पास जो इन्वेस्टमेंट थी वो सब आपने लगा दिया है, फिर आपने कैसे सरवाइव किया?
Yes, I was broke completely. My parents helped me, and I'm someone who would not take money from my parents. I've never taken. They had helped me. There is no other answer to it. Who else would support? When I was completely broke, when my accounts were zero, my parents helped me. Yes. But then, of course, I did a lot of cost cutting, which girls generally don't do. They break into depression. I did a lot of cost cutting. I didn't do shopping from last 2 years. Probably, yes, I did do it. So I did a lot of cost cutting on my, beauty related stuff, maybe cosmetics and maybe some treatments or maybe for haircuts and all those things. I did a lot of cost cutting. So completely off that. I was staying in a really good flat in Bombay. It was a 1 BHK, a big 1 BHK. I cut down to that. I came back to 1 RK. And I'm not ashamed of it. I'm very proud of it. Though I wanted to be in 2 BHK by 2021, according to my plans. And I smile when I look back. It's still 2021. I should not say look back, but yeah, when I think about it, then I wanted to go to BHK. I wanted to start my merchandise. I was supposed to have 20 lakhs in my account this year, according to my planning, which I did in 2019. And what I'm doing, I'm on zero on my account and I've shifted to 1 RK. I'm liking this process. It's like a story. After 2-3 years, when I look back, I'll have a very great story to tell everyone. See, this is what I planned, but this is what happened. And I didn't give up, You
are a former Roadies winner. Nobody from the Roadies team came up to help you or motivate you. How were the things that time?
I should not say that. I should not name the Roadies thing. Roadies has given me a lot of things. I'm thankful to Roadies. So I wouldn't say that people didn't come from Roadies. I generally said that nobody came to help me. It's not about Roadies. I've been in IT industry for 5 years. So I made a lot of good friends in IT sector. I have my best friends, So I tell how should I say? I'm telling in general that nobody helps.
In general,
everyone.
Nobody cares.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, but I wanted to know. But because you spend so much time on a reality show and they all are celebrities, what were their reaction? किसी ने आपको phone किया?
Yes, everybody called me. Ranvijay sir called me the same day. Maybe probably he saw the story. Then Neha ma'am called me after a month. Yes, whenever she got to know. Raftar sir messaged me. Prince sir called me. He said, Shweta, you need anything? I'm here. Messaged me. Everybody messaged me. Yes, everybody showed the concern. When I said it help in the sense, maybe it's not in their, I don't know. I can't say anything. They can't come and fight for me. Probably yes, I'm not that close to them. Maybe. So I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just saying that I had to fight all these things alone. And I think everybody has to fight alone.
Yeah, right. And जब भी हम देखते हैं कि किसी कोई एक अचानक से उठ के आता है और ऐसा एक रियलिटी शो जीतता है, उसके बाद उसके लिए बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुल जाते हैं. एंड वी हैव सीन सो मेनी रोडीज विनर. आप चाहे वो रणविजय जी की बात कर लो, आप प्रिंस की बात कर लो, जितने लोगों ने भी जीता है वो आगे जाकर बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. जब आपको वो सब लूज करना पड़ा, जीतने के बाद आप बहुत कुछ कर सकती थी, आगे जा सकती थी, जब वो लूज करना पड़ा, वो कितना डिवास्टेटिंग रहा आपके लिए?
devastating tha nahi hai, because I am suffering that thing now. When it was my peak, I was on my peak, I wanted to do things, tab ye hua. Honestly, I was endorsing 4 brands and I just did my music video before that accident, just 15 days before it got launched. मैंने तो उसका promotions भी अच्छे से नहीं किया था अब तक. I was supposed to go to Punjab and do some college visits for that song. Couldn't do it. I auditioned for a Punjabi music movie. It was really good. Like they loved the audition. So we couldn't do anything. There was something very special happened that year. Big Boss का उसी महीने ही casting चल रहा था. Okay. I was supposed to meet someone on 8th of September. I don't know, from someone from the team. And on 6th, I met with an accident in Surat. And I was supposed to meet someone on 8th, and this is regarding another reality show. So doing reality show is my another dream. I want to do another reality show. That's true.
Yeah.
So on 8th of September, I had a meeting, and on 6th, I met with an accident. It was painful. My mom told me one thing, that she was fasting for 2-3 months for me to get in Big Boss. She told me very late after my accident, after my a couple of months later. No, a couple of months later.
Okay.
One day I was crying and she told me, "तू Big Boss के लिए रो रही है, तुझे मैं बताती हूँ, मैंने तेरे लिए 3 महीने व्रत रखा है और तू वहां नहीं जा पाई, लेकिन ने तुझे बचा लिया." So that was such a touching moment, and I was like, I can't cry for Big Boss. I have got another life. So yes, I got 2 years wasted. I understand that. But Vijay, I am here to stay for long. For example, 10 to 15 years. So if in 10 years I just lost 2 years, I still have 8 years to rock, right?
Yeah.
So I see that way.
Yeah.
If I keep on nagging on these 2 years, I'll never be able to make it third year. Yeah. So sometimes I just forget whatever has happened. The good thing is it happened in pandemic. I think God has done something good to me even in the accident. Imagine if things are running, I would have had bigger loss. But right now everything is on hold. So probably.
Yeah.
So I didn't do much of work in 2 years, but many of them didn't do anything in last 2 years.
Yeah.
So in a lot of auditions and interviews, I don't even tell them that I met with an accident. I just say because of lockdown we don't have work. So it's a good thing.
Yeah. But you tell me, now that you are all charged up, you're trying to come back and start things rolling, what are the challenges you are facing now?
The biggest challenge is what I've done in last 2 years. Every casting director wants to know, last काम कब किया था? Last time screen face कब किया था? I understand, but I have always created content and better content so that I always face camera. I create my stuff. I have small production house. I do everything on my own. So that I don't go away from camera. Anyways, we can never go away from camera. So this is the biggest challenge, that what you have done in that. And a year ago, I used to get calls and they were scared. They were afraid that this girl has met with an accident. इसकी body पे marks जरूर होंगे. गले पे चोट लगी है. कहीं अगर set पे आती है तो problems ना create करे, pain ना हो उसको, कर भी पाएगी नहीं कर पाएगी. These things, yes, they think I get to feel when they're talking to me. Khatron Ke Khiladi was something I really wanted to do. And I got a call also from someone, don't know, maybe some agent, some mediator. He also told me the same thing. Shweta, वो आपका certificate मिल जाएगा ना, आपकी health ठीक है, because we think you will not be able to perform. So these are very weird challenges. I can do a lot of things, like I am as good as I was. But to prove that, it's such a difficult task. So how can I prove? I have to prove by doing my own project. So I can't, I'm someone who would not wait for someone to cast me. Rather, I create my own stuff. I recently launched my video. It's completely my concept, my work, not related to any brand. I thought of doing a video on Hanuman Chalisa, which is very different. I created the looks. I did everything. I had the music producer with me. Everything I did it on my own. Just to showcase to people that what you think is not true. I can do a lot of things and I'm not dependent on you guys to cast me. I can do my work on my own. But of course, I need a better team, a better people, a better channel, a better, a good association. So I'm hoping for the best.
जब आपको बेड रेस्ट की वजह से फिटनेस से दूर रहना पड़ा, वो कितना चैलेंजिंग था? कितने किलोज आपके बढ़ गए जब आपने पहली बार वेट उठाया? वो मुझे पूरा वो फेज जानना है.
Okay, so I had gained 6 to 7 kgs, which is a lot. Tummy बढ़ गया है, shoulders बड़े लगने लग गए, double chin आ गया है, डबल के ट्रिपल ही आ गया था बिकॉज वो नेक ब्रेस हमेशा रहता था. So beauty a lot in this industry, a lot. You have to always look fit. Plus, I am from fitness background, so I have this additional thing on me. I don't do it for others. I do it for myself. I don't like to be fat, and I don't like to be someone who cannot perform. I wanted to do. I used to do 20 pull-ups in a go. I used to do 100 push-ups in a go. Abhi wo, Vijay, I'll tell you something. When you are in some journey, okay? आप पहली बार जिम जाते हो. आपने आज 5 रेप्स की किसी चीज के, आपने अगले हफ्ते 10 किए, फिर 15 किए, फिर 20 किए, फिर आप धीरे धीरे वेट्स बढ़ाते हो, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी हो जाती है. आप कोई भी स्किल कर रहे हो, हेड स्टैंड कर रहे हो या पुल अप कर रहे हो, आपने 6 महीने में सीख लिया, सब कुछ हो गया. दैट जर्नी इज डिफरेंट देन आप कोई सब कुछ आता है और बहुत अच्छे से आता है, टॉप लेवल का आता है आपको, बिल्कुल एज अ आई वाज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ फिटनेस यू कैन से. देन यू कम टू जीरो एंड अगेन 0 to 100 पुशअप्स की जर्नी जो थी वो ईजियर थी इससे कि अब मैं 100 से फिर से 0 आ गई और 0 से दोबारा से मेंटली इट हर्ट्स एवरी डे. ओह गॉड, आई कुड डू दिस, आई कुड डू दैट. लेग प्रेस नहीं हो रहा है, आई कुड डू 350 kgs लाइक 800 pounds और अभी 50 किलो भी नहीं हो रहा है. दैट हैड इन मी एंड दैट किल्ड मी एवरी डे फॉर 2 years कि ये तो मैं बहुत इजीली कर लेती हूँ बट अभी नहीं हो रहा है, यू नो. सो दैट वाज पेनफुल. समथिंग यू नो, something you could and now you cannot. That hurts even more. I started calling me handicapped. And I feel the same, that I'm not able to do certain things. I need something in me which is not there right now. Similarly, probably any handicapped would feel कि मुझे हाथ होता है या मुझे पैर होता है या मेरा ये finger नहीं है, कुछ भी. I used to feel that way कि there is something missing in me, I need to do this. But then yes, I kept on doing it. I was very patient and now I can do 60 to 70% of what I could do. And this time I won't do 100%, I will do 200%.
I remember when you had won the show, Roadies, I spoke to you after you won the show and आपने मुझे आपने if I'm not wrong, आपने मेरे को ये headline दिया था कि आपने इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि मेरे बिकनी पिक्चर्स में, फिटनेस बिकनी पिक्चर्स में माय डैड यूज्ड टू अप्रिशिएट एंड ही यूज्ड टू से कि आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. तो कहीं आपके फादर बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पिरेशनल रहे आपकी जर्नी में वापस बाउंस बैक करने में? जैसे आपने बोला कि मम्मी पापा दोनों थे, बट
दोनों ने
रिएक्शन था.
I remember एक्सीडेंट के 10 दिन बाद ही जब बॉम्बे में वो आई एम क्राइंग. सो बॉम्बे जब वो आए थे, आई वाज इन बेड रेस्ट. सो बॉम्बे 1 महीना रहे थे सूरत से आने के बाद बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट अलाउड टू फ्लाई. उसके बाद 1 महीना भी नहीं, 2 महीना वो यहाँ रहे थे. उसके बाद हम लोग हरियाणा गए थे. तो उन 2 महीनों में वो कभी कभी शाम को जब वॉक पे निकलते हैं, ही लव्स टू वॉक, वो जहाँ पे भी बार देखते हैं ना, पुल अप बार, वो यही कहते हैं तू इस पे दोबारा कब चढ़ेगी. इट वाज सो टची दैट they wanted to see me on the bar more than I wanted to be there, you know. Every time they were like, तू वहाँ कब जाएगी, तू वहाँ कब जाएगी, कब चढ़ेगी. He started going to gym, my dad, just to see the place, and he always used to say, I really want you back here. You belong to, you know, the weight section. You just come. So they pushed me a lot. They never said, you know, the way parents say, मत कर, ज़्यादा लग जाएगा, चोट लग जाएगी, मत कर, दोबारा से इंजरी हो जाएगी. Never. They never said that. And I'm so proud of them that they never stopped me. So अगर अब जब मैंने अपना headstand किया था अभी, I sent them the pictures and they were like, my dad said, ये तो पहले की pictures होंगी ना. I said नहीं, ये आज किया है मैंने. So you know, they are happy where I have come. They say that, you know, after your life you will understand that this is an achievement. You have gained a lot of things. हर कंपटीशन जरूरी नहीं है टीवी पे आता है, हर कंपटीशन जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको फेम दिलाता है. कुछ कंपटीशंस आप खुद से करते हो और तुमने वो जीता है, एंड दैट्स अ बिग थिंग बिकॉज़ पीपल फेल इन दीस काइंड ऑफ कंपटीशंस.
राइट. एंड श्वेता, अब जब आप वापस आ रहे हो, किस तरीके से आप अपने करियर को लेके जाना चाहते हो, क्या क्या चीजें आप करने चाहते हो?
आई एम बीइंग सुपर ऑनेस्ट. आई एम कमिंग बैक thinking that I am a fresher. If I keep the baggage with me that I have won something and I had a break, then I'll keep on crying every day. कि shit, मैं रोडीज विनर हूँ, मुझे करना मेरे लिए easy होता अगर मैं 2 साल पहले करती तो. ये ऑडिशन क्रैक करना easy होता क्योंकि मैंने इतना बड़ा शो जीता है. बार बार खुद को nagging नहीं करना मुझे. I am doing as a fresher. I give as many auditions as I can. Wanted to meet me or I want to meet them. I'm very I've started approaching people that I'm ready to do these kind of things. I'm very choosy. I know what I'm supposed to do. I can wait for good things. I'm not doing whatever comes my way. It's not कि मैं अभी project नहीं कर रही हूँ तो क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ. There are a lot of things, but there is something which I don't want to do. Just because I had a break doesn't mean I'll pick whatever comes my way. I still want to be choosy. I can wait, and I know that one hit will cover up all these years.
Yeah.
I'm just being very patient and very active. I don't want to waste even a single day. So I do something or the other thing every day.
And if you're offered Big Boss 15, will you take it up?
God, I've been waiting to get there for 3 years. Yes, many people think I am a very perfect candidate for Big Boss, but I think Big Boss team yet to understand me. I don't know. I look very dominating, but I'm very simple that way. I don't like to fight. And I don't have any controversial story going on.
But you have a very
honestly,
motivational story to say.
But I don't know. But I have heard that in entertainment, people don't like motivational story. But I feel they really need. Big Boss will not always be considered as a fight. No. There has to be some good stories, a positive story, somebody who has fought for 2 years. So you can say I was fighting back to get back in Big Boss. That is something I want to do. I want to do another reality show. Okay, so I'll tell you very clearly. I want to do another reality show, and I feel roadies से अगर कोई next step होना चाहिए, वो Big Boss ही होना चाहिए. वो कोई और reality show हो नहीं सकता है. So directly or indirectly, Big Boss is something I really want to do. I want to do reality.
And if you have to sum up this 2 years in your own words, what will you say?
I told you the same thing. Broken pieces of something which shine.
Yeah. Before wrapping up, all the people who are watching this interview, what do you want to say, Shweta?
Don't give up. Just don't give up. I think all successful people have been through really bad stages.
Yeah.
So Vijay, every time something bad happens to me, I consider that a step ahead, a step
forward.
How should I?
Forward
to the success. और अगर अब इतनी बड़ी चीज हुई है तो definitely there is something really big for me. So just don't give up. If you are failing or you're getting rejected, be happy about it, that you are one step closer. So I'll explain something very quick, sweetly.
Yeah.
There is a staircase, for example. Okay, there are some 10 to 20 stairs and there is a top. This is success and all of them are failures. So whenever you fail, just imagine that you are one step forward and one step ahead.
Yeah. I also want to know, Shweta, जब आपने पहले दिन वेट ट्रेनिंग किया, जब आपको डॉक्टर्स कह रहे होंगे कि वेट ट्रेनिंग मत करो या ये मत करो, वो मत करो, वो मोमेंट कैसा था? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आपको अंदर से डर लग रहा होगा कि फिर से कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, क्योंकि आप एक इंजरी से ऑलरेडी जस्ट जूझ के बाहर निकले थे. वो मोमेंट कैसा रहा आपके लिए?
I'll break that in two things. I was crying the day I went to the gym. I give credit to my brother. He came from Australia. He lives there. He came to support me. First thing he said that कि जब तक तुझसे headstand नहीं होता ना मैं करूँगा. He did that for me, and he pushed me to the gym. I was in my neck brace. फिर भी वो मुझे gym लेकर गया. It was 5th month of my surgery. I remember I lifted 1 kg dumbbell and I started crying. I said ये तो मेरे को देखने में भी अजीब लग रहा है. I do 15-20 kgs. I start with 15 kgs. So I started crying and he took care of me at that. Second thing I want to say, I am very confident about what I do. I have never got injured through my workouts. Never. I really am very patient person. I do my warm-ups properly. I do my cool downs properly. अगर कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि फिटनेस में इतनी लग गई होगी चोट, no, that's not right. I have always done my things very properly in proper postures. मुझे उस चीज का डर नहीं था. I had the confidence to start back कि धीरे धीरे करेंगे लेकिन करेंगे वो सब कुछ.
And अब जब आपको डॉक्टर्स देखते हैं तो उनका रिएक्शन क्या है?
So yeah, the main surgeon from Surat Hospitals, he's on Facebook with me. So he messaged me a couple of months ago that I talk about your story to all my patients. This is commendable. We didn't think of it. And a couple of emails I've got from really big surgeons of India. They're spine surgeons. They didn't treat me, but they were just surprised. How did you manage to do this, Shweta? This is I think they're not able to understand. How can I do headstand? So also, I have got emails from people who are not from India, from different people, different common people. So when I met with an accident, doctor told me, don't Google about anything. Just take rest. But nobody can stop you. You're injured, you want to get back, and you see on Google, कब ठीक होगा, किसी का ऐसा हुआ क्या? There is another similar case. I couldn't find anything, Vijay. I could find some of case studies in books, but there was no direct video or audio or message where they say that you will be fine. Everywhere it was written that 6 years, 7 years, or you will be dependent throughout your life. You may go paralyzed. You still have chances to go paralyzed. So many negative stuff. When I recovered, I have not even posted the entire story. There were a couple of things out on YouTube and on my social media. I started getting emails from different people I don't even know. They're like, there was this lady who said, मुझे 5 साल पहले accident हुआ था. I can just walk. I cannot do anything else. And you are giving me some kind of inspiration to start back. I'm surprised that this injury can lead, you recovered from this injury. Then there was a guy, just a very young guy, 21 years old in States. He messaged that I thought I can never recover. So this thing is giving people inspiration, because when I Googled, I couldn't find anything. But now there is someone meeting with accident. They Google, they at least find a story which tells them that you can be fine.
Yeah, your journey motivates them actually.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shweta. It was pleasure talking to you. All the best for your career. We just hope and pray that you come rocking ahead in life और आपने जो कुछ अपने plans बनाए थे वो जल्द से जल्द fulfill हो.
Thank you so much, and I'll give you a very strong talk. Interview me again, I promise.
Yes. Thank you so much. Take care and God
Thank you
bless.
so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.